guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great and an amazing day today. In today's video, we are diving in and looking at M1 Finance. We're going to be doing another stockbroker review. We're going to be looking at the pros, the cons, everything you must know about this broker. So I'm super excited to show you guys. If you guys want to learn more about investing into the stock market and money management, I do have a blog where we talk about everything money. So make sure you guys check that out down below. So now let's jump into it. Now, for those of you that don't know what M1 Finance is a stockbroker that allows people to invest their money. You guys can invest into stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrency. You can just invest your money. And M1 Finance is different than other brokers because they offer something called pie investing. So imagine you guys have $100 to invest, right? You can either take that 100 and put it into one stock and you get the growth of that one stock. Or with M1 Finance, since they offer pie investing, you can take that $100 and invest $10 here, $10 there, and $10 into 10 different companies. The beauty of M1 Finance is you can diversify easier, and it's like building your own little ETF. So it's like building a pool of different holdings that you see potential in. And M1 Finance does not charge any fees or monthly fees or service fees to have your account. Now, they do offer several different types for people that want retirement. For people that just want a standard broker's account, they offer IRAs, traditional IRAs, and you guys can roll over your 401ks with an account with them. Now, in order to open up an account, if you just wanted a standard broker's account, you can open one up with a minimum of $100, but for retirement, it's $500 for the minimum. So you do have to save up your money there. Now, M1 Finance is fantastic for people that just want to sit back, relax, and invest. If you're somebody that wants to trade or get in and out of positions, I wouldn't recommend M1 Finance because they offer something called trade windows, which is different than other brokers. Trade windows is pretty much when you want to trade, but you only have a certain section of time to buy and sell. Now, this is different from other brokers where you guys can buy and sell all day long. With M1 Finance, you have two different time slots, one in the morning, and then if you have M1 Plus, you get one in the afternoon, so you get two. I think this is the biggest drawback is those trade windows, because a lot of people may want to dabble with swing trading or even day trading, but unfortunately with M1 Finance, you can't do that. It honestly might suck for a lot of people, but overall, M1 Finance does it to help you guys. M1 Finance is more designed for long-term investing rather than day-to-day day trading or even swing trading. Another thing that they offer is different portfolios, right? So if you're somebody and you want to invest but you have no idea where to start, don't worry, M1 Finance, they got you. And this is why, because they have several different portfolios to choose from. If you want retirement investing, if you want general investing, dividend investing, or what a lot of people do is just track what the billionaires do. You guys can track different hedge fund managers like Warren Buffett, Carl Icahn, all these world-class investors. You can just track what they invest in so you still get the same growth as them. Comparing this to other brokers out there like Acorns, which charges up to $5 per month. And I get, you might be saying, Carter, it's only $5 a month. That's not gonna add up, much in the long run. Hey, if you'd have taken that $5 and just invested it in the S&P 500, you're looking at well over $16,000 in profit that you're missing out on. M1 Finance is definitely designed for more of a long-term outlook, no fees, no hidden charges, and still a great broker. Another cool thing that they offer is something called DRIP, which is the dividend reinvestment plan. Pretty much what you get out of this is all the dividends you get starting out. You never want to just take the money and keep it as profit. You want to take those dividends and reinvest them back into the business to grow your dividend pot larger. And what's going to happen is it's going to slowly start to compound on itself, and you guys can clearly see the difference between reinvesting those dividends and not reinvesting those dividends. So DRIP is fantastic. M1 Finance is pretty solid. Now, another disadvantage that M1 Finance has is something called tax loss harvesting. Tax loss harvesting is just a way to get a little tax break on some of your money, because with investing, not everything is a winner. Sometimes you'll have losers, and with other brokers out there, you can take some of those losers and offset offset those winners. With M1 Finance, unfortunately, you cannot do it, but that is very, very common not to have it. That is more of a bigger broker thing. M1 Finance does not have it. Robinhood doesn't have it. It's okay not to have it. It's not that big of a deal, but you just have to understand that you could be missing out on some tax benefits towards, tax season. Now, breaking down M1 Finance is fantastic for beginners that want to invest for the long run. If you want to day trade, swing trade, don't use M1 Finance. If you're looking for something long-term, M1 Finance is gonna be the best option and the most affordable option. With the fraction shares investing, with the low cost expense ratios, with the no commission, no fees, you're gonna save yourself thousands of dollars with M1 Finance than going. And if I was gonna rate this out of 5 stars, I probably would give it a 4.5 out of 5. The only con I really have is the trade windows and no tax loss harvesting. But overall, this is still a fantastic broker and one that I'm going to continue to use. Over the past year, I've had very, very little complaints with M1 Finance. I've emailed them several times just to ask some questions. Customer service was fantastic. And just their broker is streamlined. There's no issues, no bugs or anything like that. And it's a solid broker, so one that I would highly recommend for beginners, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, let me know. In the next M1 Finance video, we'll do a tutorial on how to manage, set up an account and all that stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys later. Don't forget to check out my link down below. If you guys want to sign up, I'll put it down below for you guys. So we'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe. Take care, everyone.